Today we've cycled to a place called, I'm reading it off my little notepad here, High
in your best
End Bowicup. High End Bowicup.
And we're staying on Dirk and Lee's Bassa farm.
Yeah,
a lovely couple that have let us camp up in their farm.
And this dairy farm actually supplies milk to a cheese which you're all probably familiar with, which is Baby Bell. So this is where the milk comes from, to make them little Baby Bell cheeses. How many cows have you got?
200 milking cows, dairy cows,
Yeah.
and then they've just had 150 baby cows.
Behind us, meet the big bull. This is the guy that they use for breeding.
I think he's got an itch. You need your head scratching. Yeah, yes, he says. Look. So they're giving the cows a pedicure with the use of forklift truck to lift the leg up. These two are the brothers that are on the farm. So yeah. Have you ever had a pedicure, Gabriella? When they've had to use a forklift truck to lift your leg? Not sure what colour nail varnish they're going to use.
It looks painful, look.
Look at that. Use an electric, I think it's a Black & Decker electric planer. That could be Bosch, wouldn't it?
So while we're here, we said we'd help out and do a little bit of work. I don't know, sweeping up, tidying up. So I'm looking for Gabriella. She's obviously skiving somewhere. Here she is, making herself useful. What are you doing? Just prodding the straw?
I've got to open it out and then screw it out.
Hard at work again. That's my girl. That's it. You missed a bit. To the left.
On my cow farm, that's this way, just like Keeper's cottage, and a beautiful shower. That's power shower.
Yeah, it's a very good shower.
For the farmers.
I wasn't expecting
Showers
to
and
give them a
toilets.
shower.
This is the village that we're in. This is the plaque at High End Bowicup.
Yeah, there's a festival, isn't there?
Yeah,
in 2
there's
weeks?
a village fete on next week. So all the guys here are making a float. The theme for the floats for this year is cities of the world. So these guys in this village have decided, which is a brilliant idea, to make their little village the big city. So they're just writing on it, our village is a big city of the world, and these are all the little landmarks that are from their little village. So it's a really good idea. And they've been working on it for about 2 months.
2 months, have
Yeah,
they?
2 months.
And there's lots more to go on it, isn't there? There's a bell tower to sit on top.
Yeah, bell tower. This is like the bridge that goes over the canal.
So it's all parts of the town, isn't it? And this is all being built on this farm we're on. Because on the other side of this float, there's a picture of the cows, isn't there? Some of that. Yeah, there's the a cow work in progress. You can see that. Oh, look at that though. Bit of Amstel beer.
It's obviously to do with beer,
Walk
and
on.
the beer is
The beer.
Jan, I think.
So we're here with Martin and Rihanna, and they're gonna. Well, Martin's gonna tell us a little bit about where we are and what this is behind us.
Yes, well, we're in a small village called Hai en Buikop, and we're on a farm here with a lot of cows, which you already got noticed of, I guess. And behind us, they're building some kind of big road wagon, which will be made for a festival. And there's a theme, a grand theme of big world cities. And the theme of this car is this little village, Hai en Buikop, because for the people here, it's the most amazing city. So they made a little church, and they made the suspension bridge on the other side, and some other landmarks here, and 3 days of the week they spend all their time here making this thing and drinking lots of beer.
Very good
For the
beer
past
as well.
2 months.
What is it? What do we call the beer?
Hertog Jan. Hertog Jan. It's the Duke's. What's Jan? Do you have a Jan in Jean? It's the French Jean. Jean. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Duke's Jean beer made in. Does it say? Weet je waar het vandaan komt? Somewhere in the Netherlands. Tastes great. So if you come by in the Netherlands, get our beer and of course support your how do you call it? The
Chris and Gab's World Cycling Tour.
Sure. And well, you never know where you're gonna get.
So, cheers.
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 So we had a couple of visitors in the night. As you can see, there's one outside,
Sat there all night.
a little kitten, and I've got one here. Wonder if he'll fit in my trailer.
Couple who let us stay on their farm last night, Bassa family.
Yes.
And this lady is Lise
Yeah,
and Derek.
Derek.
They own the farm.
and just down here we have
Little Jacob.
little Jacob.
Hello.
Our
grandson.
Have a good trip. Raise lots of money, and I will keep track of you in the coming weeks and months and years.
Yes, yeah.
And
Thanks for us.
I hope you will meet a lot of nice people and have nice conversations and learn nice traditions.
Well, we've enjoyed it here. It's great. And the milk.
Yeah, very welcome.